What's good, gifted family? We are showing you every single width of our brand new Premium Cuban. We have had a plain Cuban like this for over 6 years, but we've spent the past year perfecting, testing an upgraded version. The quality is insane, solid stainless steel and real 18K gold. This thing is just amazing, okay? Feels amazing on your neck, in your hand, on your wrist, everything. We're gonna now show you every single different width so that you know exactly which one you wanna buy. And look, other brands, they maybe are gonna give you like 2 widths, 2 lengths. We have 7 different widths and 5 or 6 different lengths in every single option. So you can find the perfect chain for you, all right? We're really looking out for you, gifted family. Let's check them out.